Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by narrowing scope. Decide who the logo must speak to and where it appears, because context shapes form. Once done, gather 8-12 references and note recurring shapes, colors, and type choices so you don't reinvent the wheel. Then pick 1 or 2 core concepts to explore. This focuses sketches and speeds iteration. Make sure to limit colors initially and prioritize scalability. These steps get you designing immediately rather than fussing over perfect files. You digitize the strongest sketches using vector tools so the logo scales without loss. Start with one grid system for alignment and consistent spacing. This enforces balance across variations. Once vectorized, create wordmark and icon lockups, then apply your color palette and one grayscale pass. Make sure to export at multiple sizes and test legibility at small sizes like 16px and large sizes like 512px. Adjust stroke weight and counter. You finalize by preparing master files and a concise spec that covers clear space, color codes, and usage dues, and don't so teams implement consistently. Once exported as SVG, PNG 1x/2x, PDF, and EPS, create a small demo showing placement on dark and light backgrounds. If something goes wrong, such as pixelation or misalignment, first outline fonts, simplify vector paths, and recheck export settings at 72 dpi for web or 300 dpi for print. That usually fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.